Ryan Edwards at I gapten Danny Andrews, dim pwyser Andrews. Amser I godi ben y bel I gyfeiriad Sullivan ydy'r targed, a lle mae hon yn glanio. Y Flint yn clirio rhywsut. Morgan Murray nôl I fewn. O, ar cyffyrddiad lleia gan Jamie Breeze yn rhoi'r tîm cartre ar y blaen. Blerwch yn y cefn, a Breeze yn sgorio 6 gol mewn 6 ymddangosiad ers ymuno â'r clwb. O, cyffyrddiad hyfryd gan Breeze. Digonedd o le lawr y chwith, Breeze, heibio I Harrison, Harrison yn llithro, mae'n tynnu'r bel yn ôl, Danny Andrews, o'n syth as y golwr, a Rhys Williams yn arbed, am yr eildro yn dyrnu'r bel yn glir, dihangfa i'r Fflint. Treffynnon yn methu cymryd y cyfle yna, a'r golwr yn gwneud gwaith da yn y diwedd. Jake Phillips, y gic nid yr orau gan Phillips. Anthony Stevens yn ailgylchu, gosod hi at Ben Wyn! Ben Wyn yn taro'r tu allan i'r postyn. Dim ond I ail ymddangosiad ers ymuno o'r Fflint o Gaernarfon. 5 milltir yn unig sy'n gwahanu'r ddau glwb yma. A dim ond 1 pwynt rhyngthyn nhw yn y tabl cyn dechrau'r pnawn. O'r flic yn hyfryd gan Acbac Pro. Paddy Lacey ar cynnig, ar eildro, ar trydydd. Oddi ar y linell yn arwrol gan Mike Pearson. Chwarae clyfar gan Acbac Pro. Lacey o drwodd. Cael ei rwystro gan Hart gynta yn argolwr Sean Pearson a'i frawd Mike Pearson yn achub Treffynnon. Ryan Edwards, di gweld rhediad Breeze, pas hyfryd gan Edwards. Breeze ar ergyd, yn ei thynnu hi fymryn, heibio'r nod. Jake Phillips at Ben Wyn. Wyn, y croesiad yn beryglus, a lle mae'n glanio, fymryn, heibio'r postyn. Cyfle gwirioneddol i'r Fflint ddod yn gyfartal. Ond Treffynnon yn dal I tir.
Big win for us. Really enjoyed it, to be fair. It was a good derby. Obviously, the pitch is played for a big battle, and we've come out on top. I think with the chances we created, possession that we've had, we got the result that we deserved in the end.
Yeah, very disappointing because they ended up with us losing 3 points. But I think we had enough chances to at least get something out of that game. We had clear-cut chances, which we just couldn't put it back in. So you have to give credit to Holywell because they defended for their lives, and that was the difference in the game. There was no quality in the game. I thought it was quite an even match team, 2nd v 3rd in the league, and they took their 1 opportunity in the first half. They had 2 in the second half, and we didn't take our chances.
Yeah, no, personally very good, but even more important, 3 points for the team. That's what we needed today, big derby here. So yeah, no, buzzing to get it. Should have had a few more goals really. Myself, I should have had a hat-trick really, but missed a couple, but got the main one, so yeah, decent.
They got in a few times with Breezy, and we know if you leave space behind for Breezy, he's going to get in. We'll have to look at that. But in terms of that, I think they had 2 chances on goal, and they didn't need to. They had a result to defend. They were 1-0 up. They didn't have to keep chasing and carrying, go breaking through and just waiting for the right chance. We broke through. We tried to throw defenders up there in the end. We ended up with 4 up front, and it just wouldn't go in for us. So yeah, it's a title race which is going to be on right to the end. I've said there's going to be loads of twists and turns, and Holywell at this pitch, on this pitch today especially, they're good at it. So I've got no problems that we lost, and we go again next week. Now it's a banger.
We'll just keep ticking them off. It's another 3 points today. It's the same as the 3 points next week. We'll enjoy tonight, and we'll put it to bed, and we'll look forward to training and the game next week. And that's all we can do.
What I noticed at the end was that the team spirit is excellent here.
Second to none. It's something that I've prided myself on over the years. A good dressing room and hard work brings you results. We believe in that, and there's quite a new squad here again, and it's results like that galvanise people and just makes that stronger, and the stronger that is, the harder we are to beat.